आप कैसे अपने आप को हैप्पी रखते थे आउट एट सी?
I used to mark every day on the calendar that because I was concerned after these days are over and I'll be going home.
आपने तो वॉर फाइट किया है ना अपना 1969 and 1971.
There is nothing wrong if sometime in some phase you feel hard up financially. You can be very sure that good time is also nearby. It may be 1 week, it may be 1 month, it may be 1 year. I am 84 years old.
आपको क्या लगा? आपको डर लगा क्या? ऐसे वॉर हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड?
नहीं, I lived out of that time. No, there is no fear anyway.
तो लोगों को जो एंजाइटी होती है इस वॉर रिलेटेड, आपको क्या एडवाइस है?
People are weak-minded. If you don't want to live long, you have to only keep saying that, and that divine fulfills that also. I resigned from company. I was a manager there. That was the worst period of my life.
Hi Bob.
Hello.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. I wish you also same. Happy Father's Day.
आज मैं ये फादर्स डे कर रहा हूँ अपने कुछ यंग बच्चों के लिए,
अच्छा,
क्योंकि मैंने सोचा आज फादर्स डे है, आप आ भी रहे हो
हाँ।
तो इट शुड बी समथिंग ग्रेट, यू नो,
Yeah.
एंड फॉर एवरीबडी.
Yes.
So Pop, you are just for people who don't know, my father is ex-commander Indian Navy. कौन सा बैच है Pop in Indian Navy का?
21st course National Defense
21st
Academy.
course NDA.
Yeah.
That is 21st batch.
21st.
21st batch NDA. एंड उसके बाद नेवी में भी रहे कमांडर, उसके बाद मर्चेंट नेवी में भी गए एज चीफ इंजीनियर, उसके बाद शोर में भी काम किया.
Yes.
उन्होंने बहुत सारे अपने कौन से नेवल एकेडमी में ही वाज अ टीचर.
Naval Maritime Academy.
नेवल मैरीटाइम एकेडमी. तो आप वेरी वेरी क्विकली, हम ज़्यादा किसी को ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे,
हाँ.
तो आप क्या सीक्रेट ऑफ योर गुड हेल्थ? हाउ ओल्ड आर यू नाउ पॉप?
I am 84 years old.
84 years old, guys. And what is the secret of your good health? आज की जनरेशन को आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे?
I think everything is mental.
Everything is mental. Wow.
You have to be very strong-minded man. If you are mentally, I won't say be perfect and all, pure and all, but be on the good side, positive side. If your mind is on the positive side, you are going to live. If your mind is always on the negative side, you will not live that long. Because whatever is being recorded by mind, it goes on the very high level, divine level. So then divine give you that what you want. If you don't want to live long, you have to only keep saying that, and that divine fulfills that also.
और आज के डेट पे पॉप आप क्या बोलोगे फॉर द यंगर जनरेशन, योर लेट्स से मर्चेंट नेवी रिलेटेड 3 good things and 3 bad things?
3 good things and 3 bad things. Oh my God, you are taking my examination. I think one should be positive and learn to be happy and smiling all the time, whatever the circumstances, because circumstances will keep on changing. If it is bad time going on, it good time is also nearby.
तो आपकी लाइफ का एक बैड टाइम बताओ ना, कि मतलब really testing time. Guys, this is not scripted. My dad has just come and आप क्या शेयर कर सकते हो?
I resigned from Ranadev Shipping and Transport Company. I was a manager there.
अच्छा, which year?
That was in 1986. I resigned. 1984 I joined. But I must say that was the worst period of my life after resigning.
Resigning from Indian Navy?
No, resigning from Ranadev Shipping.
अच्छा.
I got the job of Ranadev Shipping after I took premature retirement in Navy. But then it was a real pain. I was even harder for 10 rupees. I went through that stage. And myself and your mom almost lost our mental balance and peace. So that is how the time changes, you know.
1986 मतलब मैं तो 11 साल का था, मुझे इतना याद ही नहीं.
No, you think never reflected up to children. But only Ravi once told, he was in Bombay that time doing.
Ravi is Captain Ravi Bhandari, my chacha.
He was preparing for examination. He told your mom that he is in very serious trouble financially but he doesn't. He has resigned from Ranadi shipping. So, but good time came. It has to come. Everything is not always negative. It keeps on going up and down. Everything vibrates, and vibration means up and down. So there is nothing wrong if sometime in some phase you feel hard up financially. You can be very sure that good time is also nearby. It may be 1 week, it may be 1 month, it may be 1 year. It can be anything, but good time will always follow. That is my strong belief, and divine takes care of it.
So guys, life will keep having situations. There is no right and wrong. There is no good and bad. But only thing is perspective. If we can keep our perspective positive, I have also seen a lot of ups and downs in my life. And I think it's all about maintaining the mental equilibrium.
Yeah.
And this is exactly what all seafarers go through. I am also one good example of that. So Pop, what is your one... आपने तो वॉर फाइट किया है ना अपना 1969 and 1971.
Not 69, 71.
71 war.
65.
अच्छा 65 also there was a war.
65 there was a war. And then there was a war with China in 67 also.
अच्छा.
But I did not. I was in Navy, so I didn't participate in that. Because that war was on the mountain level.
Mountain, army was more involved.
So, but we gave a good beating to Chinese in 62. They gave us good beating.
Achha.
And after that in 67 we almost killed their 600 Chinese. That was a real, and that fear, tell that Chinese are got till today in their mind. Achha. They know, Indians know how to fight. Chinese have got no war experience. Till today Chinese have never fought a war. But they know Indians are not to be poked, because they have fought a lot of terrorism and lot of wars with China, with Pakistan, and so they have got a good experience. So they keep away from us.
तो पॉप अभी जैसे इंडिया पाकिस्तान का भी वॉर हुआ अभी, तो आपको क्या लगा? आपको डर लगा क्या? ऐसे वॉर हैज बीन डिक्लेयर्ड?
नहीं, I lived out of that time. No, there is no fear anyway.
तो लोगों को जो एंजाइटी होती है इस वॉर रिलेटेड, आपको क्या एडवाइस है?
People are weak minded.
तो हाउ टू गेट ओवर दिस वीकनेस, बिकॉज नॉट एवरी सिविलियन हैज नॉट सीन वॉर ना, तो क्या आपकी एडवाइस है कि भाई वॉर में क्या करना चाहिए, क्या थिंकिंग रखनी चाहिए हम लोगों को एज ऑर्डिनरी सिटीजन?
You keep yourself fit so that in case things go very bad out of way.
अच्छा, मम्मी's advice.
Keep eyes and ears open, of course.
हाँ.
And nothing to worry. You are not fighting the war. Your army navy is fighting the war. So why should you get so much tension?
नहीं, बट फिर भी टेंशन तो होता ही है ना, जैसे सबको लगता
concern.
है.
It's not a tension. It is a concern. You feel very concerned because your country is fighting war with Chinese or Pakistan. So you are likely to feel tensed, but you should not, because you are not fighting war. Your life is safe.
But what is that mental strength that you think they should carry? कि भाई वॉर हो रहा है तो आपको क्या लगा? आप क्या सोचते हो? वॉर हो रहा है, बाहर हो रहा है, तो आप कैसे कूल रहते हो?
You keep thinking about your own people who are fighting on the front, and unfortunately you can't join them because you are out of the time and out of age. So, but you should be praying for them. That also works.
तो आपकी क्या एडवाइस है पॉप अभी मर्चेंट नेवी वाले बच्चों के लिए कि what is that one secret to enjoy merchant navy life?
मस्त रहो यार, मस्त रहो. Be happy whatever state you are. After all, good time is also nearby. You will finish your cadet's time. It's not going to be
But
perpetual.
what about captains and chief engineers?
Yeah, they are also.
What if they are feeling low in merchant navy?
They are
तो
feeling low because they are away from their family. That's why, not because China and India are fighting.
हाँ, नहीं, वो तो अलग बात थी. हाँ.
So
But if they are feeling low, आप कैसे अपने आप को हैप्पी रखते थे out at sea?
I used to mark every day on the calendar that
Acha, you used to mark every day.
Yeah, because I was concerned after these days are over, then I'll be going home. Because you don't forget, wherever you are, you may be out for 4 days or maybe 40 days, but then your mind is in your children, in your wife, and you are not bothered about yourself. You are willing to sacrifice few days for the bucks. If you don't sacrifice, then how will you get those bucks?
So very, very important point here, that we are not denying any feeling here. We are not denying the fact that you are away from home and you are going to feel low. You are going to miss your family. You are going to miss your kids and their smile, and I've gone through that myself. But idea is that everything has to be rationally balanced.
Yes.
You have to understand that. Don't deny the feeling. Oh no, I should not feel like that. That will not happen. You have to feel it. You have to accept it.
Yeah.
Minute you accept that feeling, I think 50% of the
changes.
problem is solved.
It changes.
Because you have to tell yourself it's not like you're gone for years. You're just gone for a few months, and you're doing it with a purpose.
Yes.
And I think if your purpose has a clarity, you'll even feel more comfortable. But anyway, thank you, Pop.
Thank you.
Thank you for this time, and happy Father's Day.
Yeah, same to you. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Pop.